Hello and welcome. I'm Matteo, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Jazzberry, our AI agent for finding bugs. So in this demo, what I'll do is I'll simply make some changes, push them to GitHub, and Jazzberry will trigger on a pull request that we'll make, and we'll see what bugs it finds. So we're starting here in Cursor. I'll simply ask to implement chess in Python so that we can play it from the command line. I'll hit enter and I'll let Cursor get to work as usual. And whatever changes it makes, we'll simply accept all of them and push them into a new pull request. All right, so it looks like it's done. Simply accept everything here, and we'll make a push. So I'll add all the files, make a new commit, implement a chess, and I'll push this. So I can go over here to GitHub, and we wait for this to show up, and we'll make a new pull request based on these changes. So when we create the new pull request, Jazzberry will automatically trigger. Here it is, beginning its review. And we can go look at a visualization of the logs that are coming from the machine where Jazzberry is running. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to boot a micro VM, and we'll clone the repository into that micro VM. And then Jazzberry will then start looking for bugs, and it'll be able to run commands as it looks. So let's let this run, and we'll see what it finds. All right, now it's done. Let's take a look at some of the example of like what it ran. So this last command, it ran this test chess file, and it made some moves. And we can take a look that it wrote this file, presumably. Here it is. And we can take a look at it writing moves to go test. So, and then it played a small game. And so now it's made a bug report. Let's go take a look at the bug report. So here it is. It says that invalid pawn moves are allowed. And it says if we can run this example, and we can see that, let's see, the is valid move function incorrectly allows a white pawn to move 2 spaces forward from a row other than the starting row. So let's give this a try. So the files that Cursor made is just chess. So let's run chess. And let's try the moves that it recommends. So we go e2, e4, e7, e5. So we move the black pawn forward. And let's try this last one, e4, e6, which would move our pawn forward too. And there we go. This is exactly what it found. And if we go back to the logs, we can see this is what it had played. So there we go. If you want to learn more about Jazzberry and give it a try for yourself, you can go to jazzberry.ai and give it a download. All right, thank you.